Hi bestie, welcome back to my page. In today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of day 9 of the Baddies Budget 12 Days of Budgeting Advent Calendar. And so let's see what we got. So it looks like a canvas bag. But let me take it out of the packaging. So how are you doing? Hope that all is well with you and yours. Okay. So we got this canvas bag here. It has pockets on the sides, and it does have this adjustable strap, so you definitely can carry it as a crossbody. And that's basically it. So Bestie, thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing.